Swinging through the city, Spidey finally gets the time to attend the Avengers holiday party. He goes to Sanctum Sanctorum, where the party is being held. He is already late, and Peter thinks MJ is going to be mad. But as he goes there, he sees she is having a good time with the male heroes. Everyone is enjoying the party, and then Tony approaches Jessica, Spider-Woman, and tells her she is standing under the mistletoe, and that means they have to kiss now. There is no way to avoid it. So after kissing Tony, as she turns, Cap catches Jessica under the mistletoe again and gives her a kiss. It seems all the male heroes are tricking Spider-Woman into kissing them, and now it's Wolverine's turn. He proceeds to kiss Jessica, but then they notice the mistletoe is moving, and then it reveals the male heroes are using a remote control to move the mistletoe over Jessica's head so that they can get kisses from her. But right at the time, the party is ruined by a robot Santa. It detects everyone except Gravity, and by using the neural disruptor, the robot Santa begins to hurt the heroes. So quickly, Logan jumps at the robot, and then it reveals the Santa is actually Ultron. No attacks are effective on the Ultron, but then, by Hank Pym's order, Spidey drops the remote control mistletoe inside a cake and tricks Ultron into eating that cake, and as he does that, it fries his circuit and destroys Ultron. Later it reveals this Santa is made by a brilliant 8-year-old girl, Virgie. She wanted to prove her classmates that Santa is real, and she eventually stumbled upon a broken Ultron, but the evil tricked her into fixing him. So Virgie then calls 911 to surrender herself, but then Spidey and the rest of the Avengers stop her and bring her to the party to celebrate with them. So which part you like the most? Please let me know on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.